Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Dear students, welcome to Moonlight Academy. Ardayda qaaliga ah kusoo dhawaada Moonlight Academy. Casharkeena maanta waa casharkii 13aad. Waxaanu ku baran doonaa countries. Countries waa dalal mise wadamo. Countries waa dalal. But before we start our lesson, if you are new here to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will be the first to get notification of our new video upload. Don't forget to write. Let's start our lesson. Somali. Somali. Somali waa wadankeena Somali. Turkey. Turkey. Turkey waa wadanka Turkiga. Turkey waa wadanka Turkiga. Afghanistan. Afghanistan. Afghanistan waa wadanka Afghanistan. Pakistan. 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 Pakistan waa wadanka Pakistan. India. 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 India waa wadanka Hindi. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia waa Saudi Arabia. America. 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 America waa wadanka America. New Zealand. New Zealand. New Zealand. New Zealand waa wadanka New Zealand. Canada. Canada. Canada waa wadanka Canada. Australia. 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 Australia waa wadanka Australia. Scotland. 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 Scotland waa wadanka Scotland. Spain. 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 Spain waa Spanish. Italy. Italy. Italy waa wadanka Talyaaniga. Ireland. 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 Ireland waa wadanka Ireland. Germany. 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 Germany waa wadanka Jarmalka. France. 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 France waa wadanka Faransiiska. France waa Faransiiska. England. 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 England waa Ingiriiska. Egypt. Egypt. Egypt waa wadanka Masar. Egypt. United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates Imaaraadka Carabta. Imaaraadka Carabta. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching the video till the end. And don't forget to take note while you are watching videos from this channel, because when you write you will remember better. And I hope you have learned different countries and the different flags. So don't forget to like the video and share the video with your friends, and click the subscribe button. It is easy to subscribe this channel, so just click it, then you will get notification of our new video upload. Keep taking notes while watching videos from this channel. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.